What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about Ethereum and how it's absolutely popping off and, in general, just leading the crypto market. If that sounds good to you, make sure you smack the subscribe button down below. Now let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on in to a little bit longer time frame chart of Ethereum, as you can see, guys, we have this huge red box of resistance coming up real fast on Ethereum. I did not think we were going to reach this resistance box as fast as we did, so I haven't really been touching on this when I do talk about Ethereum, but we came on this way faster than I thought. As you can see here, guys, I thought we were going to get some major resistance on this first red line here, because we have some resistance here, back here, resistance back here, and then resistance all through here. So I thought we were really going to get some resistance on that red line. And what do you know, we broke straight right through it. We did not even blink an eye. Just on a few daily candles, we broke straight through that resistance. Now the next big resistance is this giant red box. This is all kind of a support and resistances all throughout Ethereum's history. It's big resistance here back in the run in 2019. We also have some huge support here. In the bear market, huge support here in the bear market. Got a couple huge bounces in this area, huge support here, and then resistance, huge resistance actually, all the way back here in 2017. So this red box expands from about 346 to about 422. So kind of that mid 300s to mid 400s is huge resistance from Ethereum. If we can actually break through that red box, I don't see much resistance all the way up until the 865 mark, and then obviously the all-time high at about 1400. So those are the major resistances that I'm seeing for Ethereum in the long term. It's a little bit more long-term thinking today for Ethereum because Ethereum is just moving so fast. It's crazy how fast Ethereum is moving. It's really leading all the altcoins and actually Bitcoin. Ethereum's kind of been leading. It's kind of the most ahead in its kind of bull run. So I want to flip over to the second chart I want to talk about today, and that is kind of the long-term chart that Ethereum was in my opinion. I think it was just kind of this symmetrical triangle. We had a touch here, touch here, touch here. We really grinded up against that, and we ended up just breaking through it, coming back down, testing as support, and then absolutely bouncing straight from about 230 to about 330. So absolutely crazy move for Ethereum. Same thing on the bottom. We had one touch, two touches. We're not going to talk about this kind of thing here because that kind of screwed up the markets and the world in general, guys. But as you can see, it did act as our resistance once we broke below it. Then we did actually break up back above it. So this is what I think the pattern was for Ethereum and is a confirmed breakout. As you can see here, the volume on this move was very, very above average. Not as big as these moves here, but it's a confirmed breakout in my opinion because we did see a huge spike in volume, which is you love to see when these patterns actually break out. Now we're going to jump into my third chart. I want to look at Ethereum today, and that is kind of the fractal that we did look at in my last Ethereum video. Playing out exactly perfectly, guys. As I said in my last video about Ethereum, we had this, this fractal is from back here in this Ethereum first bull market. This is the fractal in this little area that I'm circling now. As you can see here, guys, we had this huge spike. As you can see, same thing here, huge spike. We had a huge sharp capitulation event. Same thing here, capitulation event. We ended up making back up. This one's a little bit more of a V bottom, but we do the same thing here as we continue back up. We make this triangle, symmetrical triangle pattern, and then we absolutely bounce straight up into new all-time highs from there. As you can see here, guys, we have this triangle pattern, and we are now bouncing straight up. It's playing out exactly perfectly, just like I talked about in my last video. So be attention, look at the last bull markets for these altcoins. They should be behaving very, very similarly. Be very surprised if they're not in general. Bitcoin just broke out of its huge accumulation kind of range. It just broke that $10,500 mark. So we should see Bitcoin absolutely popping off. We could see a little bit of a drop off in altcoins because of this. People panic selling their altcoins and trying to get into Bitcoin before it really takes off. But I wouldn't panic sell altcoins just yet, because as soon as Bitcoin kind of gets that little drop off, it's going to flood right back into altcoins, and altcoins are going to follow it. So I wouldn't panic sell your altcoins just yet. Just be mindful that they could see a little bit of a dip because Bitcoin just broke out of that $10,500 range, and we could see some serious FOMO into Bitcoin. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you smack that subscribe button down below. I make crypto videos almost every day, not every day, but almost every day. So if you enjoy those, make sure you smack that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment on what altcoin you guys want me to talk about, or if you guys want me to talk about a Bitcoin video, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna get outside, enjoy the sun. It is a great day outside. Hope you guys do the same. Don't stare at the charts all day. It's not gonna change the price. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.